This is MG5 2023. I'm going to make the all keys lost. As you see, this is not working. Using Autel KM100. As you see, it's not working. So I'm going to do the all keys lost. And I will select it. There is only two options: add key lost, add key or erase key. So better go to the add key. Okay. Start. Number of the key is 3. So you can try the number 4. Yeah, it's success. Now it's 4 keys. Before was 3 keys. And let's see. Now the security light was here. On this is gone. You can try to start the car. Car is starting. You try the remote. Remote is working. Try to start the car again. Okay, this is MG5 2023. I did the all keys lost with the Autel KM100. Thank you guys.